Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you the ways to delete your Wetransfer account. In order to delete your Wetransfer account, make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then to begin with, go ahead and open up or log in into your Wetransfer account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, tap the tab bar icon or the profile icon from the top right hand side corner. When you do that, a drop down menu appears. So from the list, you can go ahead and tap on the delete account button. When you press on the delete button, now to delete it, you need to type in the exact delete located right on top. So manually enter in the following account information and click the delete account button. As you've done that, you've successfully deleted your account, and once you've deleted your account, you'll not be able to access any sort of information, or that you'll not be able to recover your account. So that's how you can delete your Wetransfer account. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.